Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a quick and natural no makeup look using only 5 essential products that are perfect for your everyday wear. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm BBC, in case you're new to my channel, and if you're not, thank you so much for sticking around. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a quick and natural no makeup look using only 5 essential products that are perfect for your everyday wear. I know so many of us struggle to do our makeup in the morning before be there and the struggle is real. I also know I'm not the only one who has ever got to bed in the morning and felt like she's drowning in a sea of products. Don't even get me started on the number of products we are told we need to achieve that natural look. From foundation, concealer, blush, eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, the list goes on and on. Sometimes, even with all these products, we can still end up looking like we are wearing too much makeup. So let's simplify things. Let's strip it back to the basics and focus on the 5 products that actually make a difference. So the 5 must-have products I'm using today are a concealer, unique shades of concealer, a lighter shade and a darker shade. A brow gel or pencil. I'm using a pencil for easy application. A powder palette, a lip gloss, nude to be precise, because you want to achieve a natural makeup look. And lastly, a setting spray to set the rest of the face. So let's dive into the application. First up, I'm going to define my eyebrow using the brow pencil. I'm just going to go lightly and gently with it, making sure to follow my natural eyebrow shape. So you need a spooling brush to brush the hair and make it look defined before we are going to draw the eyebrow. Just like this. Go in and brush it all over again to give it a natural look. Guys, I did not carve my eyebrow. You might choose to carve yours depending on the look you are trying to achieve. Yeah, but it still look good on me, right? Carve it this way. I did not include the skin prep process because I believe it should be part of our daily skincare routine. Like some of us use moisturizer, toner, face serum, and sunscreen on our face after our morning shower. So since you're applying makeup, don't forget to add a face primer. So I'll be applying a small amount of concealer. This concealer is like a best friend. It covers up dark circles, blemishes, and imperfections without looking cakey and heavy. Apply a tiny amount of concealer under your eyes and blend gently into the face. So I'm going here with my lighter shade right here and my darker shade right here. Okay. As you're applying the concealer, you want to make sure you blend so that it looks natural and second skin. Just take your time and be gentle. Ouch. There's something darker on my face to make you blend so easily. Blend that out. Next, I'll be applying my powder to set the concealer in place and the rest of my face, using the lighter shade on the highlighted area and the darker shade to contour my nose and the cheekbone area. So I'm just going to go lightly with it. Go lightly with it. Using your beauty blender. And the darker shade to contour the nose and the cheekbone area. It's so fun. Just little makeup and you're looking different, like it's cute look. Now I'm going to apply my shade of powder on the rest of my face. This is like a no foundation look. But if you don't have a clear skin, you can apply foundation on it. Just a little amount of foundation. But if you have a clear skin, then this technique is for you. Just look at it. My face is already popping. Make sure there is no harsh line. You blend everything in. So now I'm going to go in with the face contour using a darker shade. Contour the cheekbone area. So I'm going in with the darker shade I used to contour my nose and my cheekbone area as an eyeshadow. This is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Now I'm going to use the brow pencil to line my lips and then go in with my nude lip gloss. To go in with my lip gloss. Managing touch the brow, the lip liner. To finish off the look, I'll be setting everything in place with my setting spray. And that's it. Our no makeup look is complete. So make sure you allow it to dry. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy no makeup look using 5 essential products. One of the reasons why I love this no makeup look is that it's literally effortless. Like you don't need to be a makeup expert before you can achieve it. Plus, it's so quick to do. The best part is that this makeup look is so versatile. Like you can wear it to school, to work, or just to run an errand. It's even perfect for those days when you want to look polished but don't have the time and energy to do a full face of makeup. If you have any makeup tips or favorite product that you swear by, be sure to share them with me in the comments below. And if you want to see more makeup tutorials like this, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Pew.